Hey guys, welcome to another educational video from Vega Stocks. This episode is purely dedicated to all the beginners of our family, all the beginners and those who are new to the world of stock market. We will discuss some important points which is in general, and those who have experience can skip this video and can continue to watch daily analysis with logic and keep yourself updated. Before we start, a disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start today's video. I have come across some students who want to pursue their career in stock market and literally have no idea on how to move ahead in achieving their goal. Those who are in their 20s or early 30s, this video is for you guys, so please spare some of your valuable time and watch this video till the end. As I've already said in the past, for all beginners, I request you to go through at least once the Versity app or refer to Investopedia and try to understand the knowledge about how market functions. So I am dividing these beginners into two parts. First, let's talk about those who want to pursue their career in this field. If you want to pursue a career, ask yourself some question. Is it always good to do self-assessment before taking any decision? Why you want to choose this field? Is it because you came across some people who showed you or told you something good about the market? Or is it because you recently watched some web series and got influenced? Or is it because you come across some bigger giant's name and got motivated reading their autobiography or their success story written by someone else? If your answer to any of these questions is yes, then please focus on your current career and do not change. If you want to learn finance, you can do it side by side, and this will definitely help you in your personal life, and for that you do not have to pay any fees to anyone. World has changed and everything, including the study material, is available in the public domain. Now let's look at the other scenario. If you want to choose this career because you have interest and you have been following stock market for past 3 to 4 years, or if you have any of your family members involved and have given you some guidance. Let's be very clear, failure stories are never circulated or marketed. This is why most of you don't know their stories. Try to find their stories also before making any decision. Irrespective of whichever field you choose to continue, remember only 10% of people in that field is actually successful, and rest are just like you and me. Some of us might replace them in future and maybe hold that position for next 5 to 10 years, and then we will be replaced by others, and mostly a younger lot. This is how life cycle is. In order to reach at the top level, you have to give your day in and day out and have to continue doing this for years. So stock market is also a profession and should be treated as a profession just like others. So if you want to become a professional, then you can do MBA in finance, CA, CFA, and if these are not possible or affordable, then you can do certification courses from NSE. It's simple. Online study material is provided and online assessment is given to clear the exam. And then you can become a NSE certified analyst. Now, if you want to become a trader or investor, what you should do? First of all, try to understand our life is just like a life of a tree. Consider yourself as a farmer nurturing a tree, and tree here is your money. The way tree grows, your money should also grow in the same speed approximately. If you agree, then you have the right frame of mind to enter into the market. But if you think you will enter, make big money in few months or years, then you should definitely avoid market and rather try your luck in casinos or buy a lottery ticket or even play some online games or prediction games which might pay you as per your expectation, and you might become a overnight star. Before becoming a trader, better first become an investor. Spend some time, gain some confidence, then enter into derivative segment. Remember, derivative segment is highly risky, so you should learn the concept thoroughly and then practice before entering into the market. I am sure you remember the race of rabbit and the tortoise. Tortoise always wins the race. Like rabbit, you might make short-term gain, but finally the race is actually won by the long-term investors. If you want to learn for free, start learning from me or any mentor that you choose and believe that they will help you. Or you can learn from any financial institution available in the market. I would recommend to start with investment into equity. Before investing into stock, you should know the fundamentals of the company, and then the technical study is also important. Technical study will help you to identify the entry and exit point of a particular stock or the target that you can expect. Hope you like this video, and if I see at least 50 likes and comments, I will definitely continue to help you understand the fundamentals first and then move to the technical aspects. So this series will continue. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.